What's up guys, it's me Eric B, and we're at the usual meetup spot here at Cycle Gear. As you can see, a lot of people are out today. And then we got an H2. It's the first time I've ever seen one in person. So this is pretty awesome. I think it's a 2016. It's pretty sick. We're gonna get on the highway. I want to see what this thing can do. See the GSXR, CBR. We're about to hit the road here. Have a little bit of fun. We got the Ninja H2. Like I said, it's my first time actually seeing one in person. That thing looks awesome. And we're gonna see how it stacks up against the old GSXR 1000 STI. That thing sounds nice. He pulled me top in. I hung with him for a little bit. We'll go around, back around the loop and head back again and do it one more time.
I'm gonna turn off some shit where it quits standing up.
Okay. You can't mess with the H2, baby. That thing is nasty. Yeah, I knew I had no chance against the H2. I just wanted to see firsthand how much power that thing had. He did a little switcheroo on some things when we were at the stoplight, and that thing got way faster. Yeah, okay. He's been riding with his blinker on for like the past half mile. Dude, when I tell you that the H2 is a freaking monster, it's a freaking monster! Dude, yeah. That thing is a monster, man. I was like, I knew I didn't stand a chance to get an H2, but I just wanted to see for myself, firsthand, what its abilities were.
First time I didn't or the wheelie shit, I couldn't even hardly get on.
Okay, yeah, because when we took out the first one, I was like, okay, I'm kind of hanging with him at first, and he took off.
I might set the handlebars and turn. When we crossed the bridge.
Yeah, once you did the little switcheroo, we got back on there. As soon as we took off, you were gone. I was like, yep, no keeping up. Alright, so after doing that, seriously makes me want to do some upgrades of this thing. Get a full exhaust, full tune, some other goodies on here. because that was awesome. Even though even after doing all that, I probably still won't be able to beat an H2. I don't know. Now I can see why 650 Eve and all you other guys out there that do smackdowns love this so much. Just wanted to play around with the H2, get some more action on the channel. Alright y'all, enough fun for one day. That was awesome. So I've been trying to get up with those guys for a little while now, and wanted to see what the hype was with this H2. And man, did I see with my own eyes. That thing is a beast. For real. So y'all know what's going on out here in the world right now. People are out here straight tripping, so gotta pick up some ammo. And it looks like everybody has the same idea. Alright. Got the goods. Hopefully I can keep bringing you guys some content like that every now and again. If you like what you're seeing, guys, go ahead and hit that like button. If you're new to the channel, make sure you subscribe, and I will see you in the next one. Peace.